With a long history, unique features, numerous styles, and exquisite cooking, Chinese cuisine is one of the important constituent parts of Chinese culture. Chinese traditional dishes are famous for their color, aroma, taste, meanings, and appearance. As China is a huge country, there are many regional differences in cuisine due to differing climates, history, local ingredients, dining customs, etc. Fried rice is a dish made from fried cooked rice and other ingredients, often including eggs, vegetables, seafood, or meat. Fried rice is one of the most common Chinese foods. It is easy to make fried rice at home using leftover rice and other meat or vegetables from the last meal. It was said that an important diplomatic official in the late Qing dynasty, 1644 to 1912, Li Hongzheng, ordered his chef to cook a dish that both Chinese people and foreigners would like. The chef made fried rice, which was enjoyed by both the foreign guests and officials. It is a great way to socialize with friends and relatives. People gather around the pot to eat while chatting, eating, drinking, and having fun. Made from minced meat wrapped in flour to form a sheet, which is also known as pangsit when in Indonesia, and in China it becomes wonton. How to make wonton is very easy. Wonton is processed by boiling, and served with soup or fried like crackers. In addition to minced meat, wonton can also be filled with vegetables. For wonton seasoning, namely soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Wonton in Indonesia is often in the form of skin without filling, and processed into soup dumplings, fried dumplings, wonton noodles, and cwie noodles. Ai fu mie is a typical Chinese food in the form of processed noodles. Making ai fu mie is done by deep frying or frying in hot oil at high temperature. The purpose of frying is so that the noodles are crispy evenly and form a nest. In addition to ai fu noodles are usually vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and casim. The gravy used in ai fu mie is usually a little runny and not too thick. Gongbao minced chicken is made from minced chicken cooked with soy sauce and Chinese special sauce, and served with dried chili and fried peanuts. This Gongbao minced chicken turned out to be one of the typical Chinese foods loved by foreign tourists, thanks to its delicacy and unique taste. Gongbao is quite popular in Asia, and certainly suits the tastes of many people. Plus, it is quite easy to cook. Next is typical Chinese food, which is quite often found in Indonesia. Linguistically, it comes from two words, namely bak meaning meat, and pao meaning package. Initially, the meat used in bak pao was pork, but as it developed, the contents varied from chicken, vegetables, fish, sweet sarikaya, soybean butter, green beans, and so on. The wrap itself is made from flour dough that is given yeast. Bak pao has a soft or chewy texture with a sweet or savory taste depending on the contents.